In contrast to the robust Instinct and specialized Forerunner lines, the Garmin Venu series is designed for a broader audience of fitness enthusiasts. It serves as a platform for Garmin to introduce innovative features ahead of its inclusion in other Garmin watch models, representing the company's commitment to creating a more conventional smartwatch experience. The Garmin Venu 3 continues this trend by introducing substantial enhancements compared to its predecessor, the Venu 2. To emphasize the exciting array of fresh features, we've prepared a side-by-side comparison of the recently released Venu 3 with its predecessor, the Venu 2.
Having trouble creating your online course video? At 10 Studio, we specialize in creating video courses for instructors like you. With our 7 years of experience and 80+ completed projects, we're confident that we can make your course engaging and easy to understand. To get more students and increase your earnings through attractive online course videos, contact 10 Studio today.
Let's start with the design. Both models share nearly identical dimensions, while the Garmin Venu 2 being ever so slightly larger in each dimension, a mere fraction of a millimeter. The designs cater to wrist sizes ranging from 135mm to 200mm, and it's worth noting that both the Garmin Venu 3 and Garmin Venu 2 offer smaller size options as well. Each of these models boasts a stainless steel bezel paired with a durable fiber-reinforced polymer case, while the watch display is protected by the robust Gorilla Glass 3. Additionally, they all share a water-resistant rating of 5 ATM, equivalent to 50 meters, ensuring their sustainability for aquatic activities. Furthermore, they come with industry-standard quick-release bands, with the standard models accommodating 22mm bands and the Venu 3S and Venu 2S supporting 18mm bands. While the Garmin Venu 3 closely resembles the Garmin Venu 2 in most aspects, there is a notable physical distinction. The Venu 3 sports an additional button on its right side, absent on the Venu 2. This extra button serves the purpose of activating the built-in speaker, a feature not present in the Venu 2 but available in the Garmin Venu 2 Plus model. In terms of display, the dimensions of the Garmin Venu 2 and Garmin Venu 3 are nearly indistinguishable. The newer Venu 3 cleverly incorporates a slightly larger display by minimizing the bezel size, and as a result, the Venu 3 boasts a 1.4-inch screen, outshining the 1.3-inch display from the Venu 2. Moreover, the Venu 2 Plus maintains the 1.3-inch display size in the Venu 2. On the other hand, the smaller Venu 3S features a 1.2-inch display, while the Venu 2S comes with a slightly more compact 1.1-inch screen. Although the additional screen space may not be substantial, the reduced bezel size does lend the Garmin Venu 3 a sleeker and more fashionable appearance. As one would anticipate, many of the vital features present in the Garmin Venu 2 are also seamlessly integrated into the Garmin Venu 3. These include functions like body battery energy monitoring, stress and heart rate tracking, blood oxygen saturation measurement, hydration monitoring, and the assessment of fitness age. Furthermore, both watches provide an array of shared sports tracking applications encompassing activities such as running, walking, swimming, cycling, strength training, HIIT workouts, and a variety of others. As we said earlier, the most prominent physical contrast between the Garmin Venu 3 and its predecessor, the Garmin Venu 2, lies in the introduction of a third button. This particular button serves as the gateway to a significant distinction between the two models: voice control functionality, exclusive to the Garmin Venu 3. It's worth noting that while voice control is a feature found in the Garmin Venu 2 Plus, it remains absent in the standard Garmin Venu 2 and Venu 2S models. The Garmin Venu 3 introduces an array of novel sleep coaching features, supplanting the sleep insights previously available in the Garmin Venu 2. These enhancements provide users with valuable, actionable insights into their sleep patterns, enabling them to enhance the quality of their sleep. Moreover, the watch can precisely determine the amount of sleep needed for post-workout recovery. A noteworthy addition is the capability to detect and track not only your nightly slumber but also your daytime naps. One of the significant enhancements featured in the Garmin Venu 3 is the inclusion of a dedicated wheelchair mode specially tailored to cater to the needs of wheelchair users. In this mode, the watch customizes its statistics and recommendations, shifting its focus from steps to measuring pushes. It also sends periodic reminders to encourage weight shifting for added comfort. Additionally, the Garmin Venu 3 extends its support to activities like hand cycling and provides specialized activity options designed exclusively for wheelchair users. Furthermore, the Venu 3 introduces heart rate variability as a new feature and enriches its sports capabilities with updates such as open water swim metrics, support for e-biking, compatibility with power meters, and the inclusion of disc golf support. While you might naturally assume that the Garmin Venu 3's larger screen and upgraded sensors would lead to a reduction in battery life, The reality is quite the opposite. According to Garmin, the Venu 2 offers a smartwatch mode battery life of up to 11 days between charges. In contrast, the Garmin Venu 3 boasts an impressive smartwatch mode battery life of up to 14 days, marking a remarkable increase of over 25% compared to the Venu 2. You can currently purchase the Garmin Venu 3 directly from Garmin's official website for $449.99 and its predecessor, the Garmin Venu 2, at $399.99. In short, when you're thinking of buying a Garmin Venu 2 or 3, you'll notice that both models share strikingly similar dimensions and designs, leaving little to differentiate them in terms of appearance. Nonetheless, the Garmin Venu 2 distinguishes itself with its sleeker look, courtesy of narrower bezels and a slightly larger screen. Where these watches truly diverge are in their features and battery life. The Garmin Venu 3 not only introduces voice control but also brings a host of other valuable functionalities into the mix. These include nap detection, specialized wheelchair support, heart rate variability monitoring, and a range of additional useful features that set it apart from the Garmin Venu 2. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share it with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.